Hi everyone, today with me I have this incredible umbrella that is anything but ordinary. It has so many features that I really enjoy using that makes it the perfect umbrella to carry around. First of all, if you're walking around at night, it could be so dangerous. So the lining right here is reflective, so if a car passes by, it's going to be able to see you from far away, which is super crucial. I also like that the button is super accessible and easy to press, and as soon as you press it, it will launch right open, making it super easy to just click and go. You're also going to have the Velcro to close it all the way up, and this umbrella is exceptionally large. And the fun fact about this umbrella is that it is inverted. The way it folds keep all the water inside, so even if you bring it inside your car, for example, it will not get wet. It is super cool, and it can protect from the sun up to 50 SPF. So I definitely recommend you guys check this out on Amazon. It is the perfect umbrella and comes in so many different colors. It gives you a large surface to stand underneath and protects you from the rain, and I definitely think it is awesome to carry this around with you everywhere you go, just in case it rains.